Quick settings notification panel not opening by swiping from the top. How to fix in the One UI update. So basically, if your quick panel settings is not opening, it's not that it's not opening, it's just that it has been changed. So when you swipe normally from the top, it will just open up your notification panel. But if you swipe from the top right like this, from the edge, it will show the quick settings. So this has actually changed. So they have differentiated it. So if you swipe regularly, just notifications. If you swipe like this towards the right, or swipe from the top right, also notifications. If you don't like this, you hate this kind of update, what you can do is tap on this pencil icon, which is the edit button, then go to panel settings here, then from separate, set this to together. When you set this to together, now whenever you simply swipe first, you'll see the little bit of quick settings along with notifications. When you swipe down, you'll see the full quick settings. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.